Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will talk about the price elasticity of demand through change in unit. In the previous topic we will talk about the change in percentage, and today we will talk about change in units. So we have price elasticity of demand, which is represented by ED. So today we will talk about the change in units. So here we have two kind of change. One is point and point elasticity of demand, another is arc elasticity of demand. Let's say here we have a graph. We have quantity of demand here and we have price here. So here we have curve, and here when the price, let's say it is 10, so we will have quantity of demand, let's say it is 2. When the price is changed, let's say the price is 8, so the quantity of demand will also change, let's say it's 4. So here we have some change, we have getting these points. When we are finding the elasticity of demand on this point or on this point, we will use elasticity, point elasticity. And if we are finding the elasticity of demand between these 2 points, we have a shape like arc, we have this shape. So when we are finding between these 2 points, we will use arc elasticity of demand. So now we have different formula for these two elasticity of demand. Point elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity divided by change in price multiply price divided by quantity. So this is the formula for point elasticity of demand. And we also use formula for arc elasticity of demand, which is equal to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2 plus Q1 multiply P2 plus P1 and P2 minus P1. So here it contains negative sign and it contains positive sign, so we will shift these two value. So the above value we will write as it is, Q2 minus Q1, and we are shifting this value to this side because it contains negative sign. So I will write here P2 minus P1, we have multiplication, the above value we will write same as it is, P2 plus P1 divided by this term we will shift to here, Q2 plus Q1. So when we have minus between them, it means that we are finding the change. So we can also represent delta Q and delta P. We have multiplication and we will write as it is, P2 plus P1 divided by Q2 plus Q1. Now we have an equation, and the equation is quantity 6000 and 0 minus 100 and we have P here, and they say that the price is 2, and if we are change the price from 2 to 3, what happens to the demand, quantity of demand? This is QD. So we will make a table for it. So we can say that when the price, here we have price and here we have quantity of demand. When P1 is 2, what is the value of Q1? So when we put 2 here, we will find the quantity of demand. So when we put 2 here, so 2 multiply, this is actually 1 million. So 2 multiply 1 million, it will be 2 million. So, and here we have 6 million. We subtracting 2 million from 6 million, we will get 40 million. Yes. Now when we change price from 2 to 3, what will be the quantity of demand? So when P2 is changed from 2 to 3, what will be the Q2? So here when we put 3 instead of P, so 3 multiply 1 million, we will get 3 million, and from 3 million, from 60 million, we will subtract 3 million, we will get 3 million only. How many zeros we need? Okay, now we are going to find point elasticity of demand, and we also find arc elasticity of demand. So first I will find point elasticity of demand. So the formula of point elasticity of demand is change in quantity and change in price multiply price divided by quantity. So change in quantity, first we should also find the change between these 2 points. How much change do we have? 40 and 30, we have 1 million change. So here I will write 1 million. How many zeros do we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Divide by change in price, we have 2 and we change to 3. How much change do we have? We have 1 unit change in it. So I will write here 1 unit. Now we have multiply price divided by quantity. So the price in this point is 2 divided by the quantity is this amount. One more also. So in this portion, it's not necessary that you are using this value or this value. Both will give you same result. So these all zeros will cancel with these zeros. So here we will get 1 divided by 1, we will get 1. And here we have 2 divided by 4, then which is equal to 0.5. So the value of point ED is this amount. Now we are going to find elasticity of demand, arc elasticity of demand. Now we are going to find the arc elasticity of demand. So we have the formula of arc elasticity of demand is this. This is the formula of arc elasticity of demand. This we just simplify it and we have the formula of arc elasticity of demand is here. So now we have the formula of arc elasticity of demand is equal to change in quantity divided by change in price multiply P2 plus P1 divided by Q2 plus Q1. So now we also have these values. So the change in quantity we have from 40 to 30, we have 1 million change, and we have change in the price, we have 1 unit change, because from 2 to 3 we have 1 unit only, multiply P2 plus P1. So P2 is 2 and P1 is 2, P1 is 2 and P2 is 3. I write the value of prices and I will also write the quantities. So Q2 is 3 million plus Q1 is 40 million. Now we have 1 million divided by 1 multiply, we have 5 here, and when we add them we will get 7 million. So again we will cut the 60 with 60, so we will get 1 divided by 1 1, and 5 divided by 7, so 5 divided by 7 we will get 0.71. So here when we multiply 0.71 with 1, so we will get elasticity of demand, arc elasticity of demand is 0.71. So the value of it is less than 1, so it is less elastic. So we will also talk about less elasticity and high elasticity, unit elasticity. So these are the change through point and also through arc.